Welcome to this training video. Today I will explain you the user management of the digital sales assistant and what is important to know there. As soon as I have successfully logged in to the DSA, I am on the home page of the digital sales assistant. If I have admin rights, I see a cogwheel icon in the toolbar at the top right. If we click on it, a drop-down list appears in which we select the User Management tab. We are now in the User Management. Here I can see the current company for which I have been created as a user. In addition to my company's customer code here, I can use this field right next to it to search for specific users within my company. I can add further users to my company using this button. If I click on it, this window appears. Here I can enter all the relevant user data, such as the first name, the last name, the email address, and the company for which the new user should be created. Once I have filled in all the relevant fields, I then specify which roles should be assigned to the new user. As an example, I select the role user and admin U. Here it is important to note that the role user is mandatory in order to use the DSA. Without this role, you cannot access to the digital sales assistant. If the new user should have admin rights, we can use this overview to see which permissions the various admin roles have. In our example, the admin U can add further standard users without admin rights to the company. If I now click on Save, the new user is created. Now we can see that the user has been created. Now I can edit the user's role at any time in the overview here. This is only possible if the account that wants to edit the user's role has a higher role in the hierarchy than the user to be edited. You can also check the hierarchy of the roles again here below. As my current role with admin POW is higher than the admin U role of the newly created user, I can also remove this role again via the checkbox if necessary. I can also see all related subsidiaries and their users in the drop-down list at the top right of the page by clicking here. In this example, my company has exactly one subsidiary. If I click on it, I also get an overview of all the users created there, just like before in my own company. Here, I can also add new users with the corresponding admin rights or edit the roles of existing users, as I showed earlier. I can also delete users anytime if needed, when my role is higher than the user's role who should be deleted. Those were all the relevant functions of the user management. I hope you enjoyed this training video and that it helps you to set up your own digital sales assistant.